In today's video, we're gonna make super easy popovers. What I mean by super easy is that you don't need a special pan. We're gonna use a muffin tin, and the blender is gonna make your batter really fast. Let's get started. The first thing you wanna do is preheat your oven and come back to your ingredients. Then I am going to take a brush and some melted butter and grease all of these muffin tin cavities. We are gonna preheat our pan for 5 minutes greased because we want our muffin tin to be nice and hot when we pour the batter, and we also want the grease to cover all sides and heat up. You can use butter or vegetable oil. I do not recommend spray for this. While our pan is heating up, we are gonna make our batter in less than 5 minutes in our blender. So first we want to put our eggs, then our milk. We're gonna put in our melted butter. Now remember that right below this video, you're gonna find the ingredient measurements and how to make these easy popovers. Let's put the lid on and combine the wet ingredients real quick until you have a cohesive liquid batter. To our wet ingredient batter, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and our flour. Once again, we're gonna put on the lid and blend to combine. And now we're just going to, from the blender, right into our muffin pan, fill all 12 about 3/4 of the way. Now you just take your muffin pan in the oven and bake them for 30 to 35 minutes until the tops are golden. You're gonna see how beautifully they pop towards the top, and you remove them, let them cool down for a few minutes, and you can place them in your bread basket and serve them right away. Check these out. They are beautiful. Wow, soft in the inside. We gotta try it. Let's put a little bit of butter. Remember the ingredients and measurements are gonna be right below this video. So good. So easy. See you guys next time.